Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a video showing how to make these cute little pieces out of shrink plastic and resin. And this is the Cookie Run and BTS collaboration that they just announced last week, so I made shrink plastic pieces out of them. So first I drew out these outlines of the characters, and this is like from their official Twitter posters. And I even wrote instructions on what to kind of draw first because we're going to do like reverse glass painting style. So first I'm going to take some shrink plastic and I'm going to tape it onto my little outline. And then we're going to start with just like the basics. So I started with drawing like the eyes in every single character first. And I went along my little outline instructions on what to draw first, making sure that like whatever that needs to be standalone and sticks out by itself and doesn't get covered is drawn in first, and then whatever is in the background gets drawn in last. And what I'm using to color it in are acrylic paint marker pens. I got these off Amazon. I was originally going to use my Posca markers, but I only had 7 colors, and out of the 7 colors only 4 of them worked, so I had to go online and buy some acrylic pens, and these work really nice. Some of it is a little liquidy, but it worked out great for the most part. So for the colors I didn't have the marker pens for, I ended up just painting with acrylic paint as well. And for some of the small details, I just dotted on paint and I kind of dragged it along with an eye pin. So it kind of made it a little bit more accurate. So after I got it all painted, I cut out an outline. And I did that for all 7 of the members. I don't know why V came out so big. I guess I drew him pretty large compared to the rest. And then I shrunk them in the oven. I didn't show the shrinking process because it is the most stressful process for me, because I've had many times where the shrink plastic shrivels up and doesn't get flat and it gets all distorted and ruined. So basically I shrink one at a time, just hoping that it comes out all right. And it did. There was some hiccups along the way, but we got them all nice and flat and shrunken down. And the shrink plastic brand that I use is Shrinky Dinks. So I just used the label instructions on how hot to do it and how long. Then finally, we're gonna add a layer of resin on top to give it a nice domed effect, and let that cure on both sides. And here we have our final product. We have our Cookie Run BTS, and I just love this collaboration. I think the Cookie Run characters are cute to begin with, but when I saw that they made BTS characters, I was like, I gotta do it. So I made some string plastic pieces, and we can make these into keychains, we can make acrylic stands out of them, we could just leave them as is. So there's just so many different things that you can do with them. So I hope you all enjoyed my video, and let me know in the comment section below which character that you liked the most. And if you play Cookie Run Kingdom, I don't personally, I just love the designs of the characters, but if you do, let me know which character you want to play as. And thank you all for watching.